Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start on the Switch. Sign in to the Nintendo account that pays for the subscription. This is the account that controls auto-renewal. Once signed in, open Nintendo eShop and pick the user profile linked to the subscription. Make sure your console is online and you know the account password. Once done, navigate directly to the account icon in the top right. This gets you to services and subscriptions where the renewal setting lives. Don't waste time elsewhere. Now that you're in services and subscriptions, find the Nintendo Switch Online entry or the exact subscription name. Click it to open details. You'll see next billing date, plan type, and an automatic renewal toggle. Tap or select Turn off automatic renewal and confirm on the prompt. This stops future charges while preserving access until the paid period ends. Once done, return to the subscriptions list to double-check the status reads auto-renewal off. Finish by confirming cancellation. Check your Nintendo account email for a confirmation receipt and verify the subscription shows auto-renewal off in services and subscriptions. Restart the Switch and reopen eShop to make sure the change persisted. If the cancel option is missing or you were billed outside Nintendo, for example through Apple or Google, you must cancel through that store or contact Nintendo support for account-specific issues. If something goes wrong, keep dates, receipts, and account email handy to resolve disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.